Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to your English class. Today we are going to study the first poem of your textbook Honeycomb, and the poem is entitled as The Squirrel. What is the meaning of squirrel? Squirrel means gilheri. Okay, so this poem is about these squirrels. Okay, it is very interesting poem, but before going into the poem, let's discuss about the squirrels. You must have seen squirrels running around here and there, all over the tree. So we can say that squirrel is a rodent and it's very interesting and playful animal. It's very naughty. You have seen many of the times near the tree, at terrace, in the home or in the garden and tried to play with it. Similarly, the poet is also tried to play with it in his childhood. And here he is sharing his experience to watch the squirrels and his trial is to catch the squirrels along with his friends. Now, who is the composer of this poem? This present piece of poem is composed by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. Who is the composer of this poem? Mildred Bowers Armstrong. Now it's a very short poem, as you can see that it consists of only 6 lines. Okay, and here the poet Mildred Bowers Armstrong is giving the description of these squirrels which he had observed. Okay, let's have the reading now. He wore a question mark for tail, an overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play, and if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. Okay? So here, now these lines are telling us about the squirrel. This is what the poet notices about the squirrel. So the first thing that the poet notices about the squirrel is his shape of tail. Here the poet is used the word he for the squirrel. Okay. So he said that the poet is saying that the shape of the tail of a squirrel is like a question mark. Here in the picture you can see, and if you observe the squirrel closely, you will find that the shape of the tail of the squirrel is like a question mark. So here the poet is relating his tail with a question mark. Whenever the squirrel sits down to eat a nut, he is able to relate it with a question mark. The tail of that squirrel is like a question mark. Okay. He sat up straight, an overcoat of grey. Now here the poet is telling about the body of the squirrel, that it's greyish in color. So the poet is relating it to an overcoat. As we wear overcoat to our body, the poet is comparing the skin or the fur or the appearance of the squirrel to an overcoat which is in grey color. Okay. Now he liked to tease and play. In what manner the squirrel is teasing and playing? That we all know that squirrel loves to eat a nut a lot. Nut means akhrot, walnut. But just notice one thing, that whenever they eat something, they eat in a certain position or a posture. Okay. This posture is like they sit straight. Their back is really straight, always straight. Whenever the squirrels try to eat anything, try to eat any nut or something, they sit very straight. Their back is really straight. Okay. Now, if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. You have noticed that whenever you want to catch the squirrel, they turn around the other way. Similar is the case with the poet, that whenever he and his friends in the childhood, he is talking here about his childhood, that whenever he and his friends tried to catch the squirrels, what happened? The squirrel went the other way. So this is what the poet is sharing. He is sharing his experience of watching these squirrels, and he is giving the description of the squirrel in a fantastic way. As okay, now the poet यहाँ पे स्क्वायरल के बारे में सोचता हुआ लिखता है कि अब जो गिलहरी उसने ऑब्जर्व की उसके बारे में लिखता है, और वो कहता है कि उस गिलहरी ने एक क्वेश्चन मार्क पहना हुआ था, विच मीन्स कि गिलहरी की जो पूंछ होती है, टेल होती है, बिल्कुल उसका शेप होता है क्वेश्चन मार्क की तरह, और उसने एक ओवर कोट पहन रखा था ग्रे कलर का। इसका मतलब क्या है, ओवर कोट पहन रखा था? उसकी जो स्किन होती है गिलहरी की, आपने यूजुअली देखी होगी कि उसमें ग्रे कलर की स्ट्राइप्स होते हैं, पट्टियाँ होती है, धारियाँ होती है। तो उसी को पोएट ने एक ओवरकोट से रिलेट करते हुए कहा है कि उस स्क्वायरल ने उस गिलहरी ने ग्रे कलर का ओवरकोट पहन रखा था, और वो एक नट को खाने के लिए बिल्कुल सीधा बैठ गया। यानी कि जब भी किसी गिलहरी को कुछ खाना होता है, वॉलनट खाना होता है, उसका फेवरेट फूड क्या है? वॉलनट है, अखरोट है। तो आपने देखा होगा कि गिलहरियाँ जब कुछ खाती हैं तो वो बिल्कुल सीधे बैठती हैं, उनकी जो पीठ होती है वो बैक से बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट बैठती है, और अपने छोटे छोटे पाँव पे बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट बैठकर कुछ भी खाती हैं। ऐसे तो वो बहुत घूमती फिरती रहती हैं, लेकिन जब खाना होता है तो बिल्कुल शांत होके वो सीधी बैक करके उस वक्त खाती हैं। और उन्हें तंग करना और खेलना बहुत पसंद होता है। गिलहरियों को तंग करना और खेलना, यानी कि उन्हें ओझल हो जाना, एक पल में दूसरी तरफ मुड़ जाना बहुत पसंद होता है। तो जब बचपन में पोएट जिस गिलहरी से खेल रहा होता है, उसे पकड़ने की जैसे ही कोशिश करता है अपने दोस्तों के साथ, तो वो गिलहरी भाग के दूसरी तरफ मुड़ जाती है और चली जाती है। तो इसी एक्सपीरियंस को इस गिलहरी के इस डिस्क्रिप्शन को उसने बहुत अच्छे से इस पोएम के फॉर्म में लिखा है और बताया है। ओके, सो नाउ वी कैन से दैट स्क्वायरल इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल एनिमल and which has a tail like colorful question mark, and it is known for its funny acts. Okay, and the poet has described the squirrel in a very striking ways. He said that the squirrel's tail is like the shape of a question mark, and he is wearing a grey overcoat with 3 white stripes on its body. The poet further said that the squirrel really liked to tease and play, and if anyone runs round the tree to catch him, he will change the direction immediately. To sum up the poem, the squirrel is beautiful, fun-loving, lively and clever animal. He is worth living animal. So I hope you have understood this short poem. Now the poem is clear to you. ओके इस पोएम में बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है, बहुत ही सिंपल है। आप इसको अगर रियल लाइफ में आप लोगों ने गिलहरी को बहुत अच्छे से ऑब्जर्व किया होगा या कभी उसे देखा होगा, तो आपको ये पोएम बहुत पसंद आएगी कि कितनी अच्छे से मिल्ड्रेड बॉवर्स आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग ने एक गिलहरी का डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया है इस पोएम में, और उसके बारे में बताया कि उसकी पूंछ बिल्कुल क्वेश्चन मार्क की तरह है, और उसने वो एक ओवरकोट पहना है ग्रे कलर का, जिस पे सफ़ेद और ग्रे कलर की धारियाँ हैं, पट्टियाँ हैं। साथ ही साथ जब भी वो बैठता है, जब भी उसे कुछ खाना होता है तो वो बैठकर सीधे होके खाता है, और कभी भी हम उसे पकड़ने की कोशिश करें तो वो झट से दूसरी तरफ भाग जाता है। सो आई होप this poem is clear to you now, and I'll see you in next class. Thank you so much.